Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Decor Catalog. In today's video, we are diving into the world of modern and stylish wardrobe designs. As our lives become busier and our spaces more compact, the way we organize and display our clothing has evolved significantly. From sleek minimalism to innovative smart solutions, wardrobes are not longer just functional storage. They are a reflection of our personal style and lifestyle needs. Join us as we explore the latest trends, materials, and designs that can transform your wardrobe into a stunning centerpiece in your home. In today's fast paced world, a well designed wardrobe is more than just a storage solution, it's an essential part of our daily lives. Modern wardrobe designs emphasizes functionality, style, and personalization, celebrating to the diverse needs of contemporary living. From sleek minimalism to bold statement pieces, these wardrobes are crafted to enhance both the aesthetic and practical aspect of any space. Minimalistic wardrobe designs are gaining popularity for their clean lines and uncluttered look. These wardrobes often feature sliding doors and integrated lighting. Focus is on simplicity, using high quality materials like wood or metal to achieve a refined look. By maximizing space through clever organization systems, minimalistic wardrobes allows for easy access to clothing and accessories while maintaining a tidy appearance. One of the standout trends in modern wardrobe design is the emphasis on customizations. Homeowners are increasingly looking for wardrobe that reflect their personal style and meets their unique storage needs. This can range from adjustable shelving units to specialized compartments for shoes, bags, or jewelry. Many designers now offer bespoke solutions, allowing clients to choose colors, finishes, and layout that fits perfectly within their homes. This level of personalization not only enhances the functionality of the wardrobe but also transforms it into a stylish focal point. The choice of material plays a significant role in modern wardrobe designs. Innovative materials such as glass, acrylic, and sustainable woods are being utilized to create visually striking wardrobes that stand out. Glossy finishes and matte textures can be combined to add depth and interest, while mirrored surfaces can enhance the feeling of space in smaller rooms. Additionally, eco friendly materials are becoming a popularity for many homeowners, aligning with the growing desire for sustainable living. Technology is also making its mark on wardrobe design. Smart wardrobes equipped with features like automated lighting, built in charging stations, and even climate control systems are becoming more common. These high tech solutions not only provide convenience but also elevate the overall user experience. Imagine opening your wardrobe to soft lighting that highlights your clothing collection, to select outfit making it easier to select outfits while adding a touch of luxury to your daily routine. In conclusion, modern and stylish wardrobe designs are all about blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. Whether through minimalistic designs, personalized touches, innovative materials, or smart technology, today's wardrobes are tailored to meet the demands of contemporary living. Investing in a well designed wardrobe not only enhances your space but also simplifies your daily routine, making it a worthwhile addition to any home. Thank you for joining us on this journey through modern wardrobe design. We hope you found inspiration in the various styles and innovative solutions we discussed today. A well designed wardrobe not only enhances the aesthetic of your space but also simplifies your daily routine, making it easier to choose the perfect outfit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more design tips and ideas. Thank you. Bye.